Good morning, boys and girls. I'm here with Mrs. Robertson. Mrs. Robertson, say hi.
Hi.
I'm going to show you a little science experiment, and we're going to continue to explore shadows. So if you want, you can try this at home. It is the easiest thing ever, and Mrs. Robertson, show them how easy it is. You take a paper plate.
Just like this.
There's a paper plate, and all you need is a pencil, a paper plate, and a ruler. And you are going to make a clock. So we are going to cut our paper plate into quarters. So go right ahead, and we are going to make a little clock. As you can see, a quarter means there are 4 parts. When we look at a clock, we always cut it into quarters, right? Quarter past, half past, quarter of, the time. All right, so we cut our clock into quarters. What is this number going to say? 12, because that's what a clock looks like. So we'll put our 12 up there. And then we're going to put a 3 as our first quarter because we know our clocks and what they look like. And at the bottom, we have a 6 and then 9 for our final number. Look at how easy that is. And the last step is you take your pencil and you put a hole right in the middle. Voila. Voila.
You might want to have a grown-up help you.
Yes. Now, you don't have to do this because I'll show you what happens.
And this is actually a chopstick. But
We're using a chopstick. It's nice and big. So now we have our clock. Look at how easy that was. And we are going to be able to tell time with shadows. Ready? Do you want to just bring it out now?
Yes.
All right, let's go. So Mrs. Robertson's got the clock. And we're going out on our sunny day. And right now it is 12 o'clock. So you'll notice I do a lot of these at 12 o'clock. It helps me with my shadows. And the only thing you have to do...
line it up.
...is make sure the 12 is pointing towards the north and line it up. So right now, I know it is 12 o'clock. As you can see, my nice watch, it's a little bit before 12. So I'm lining it up with my watch because I know the time. Just like that about. And now we will see if the shadow moves. So I will come back out here in about a couple hours and see what happens to my shadow. I'm not going to touch anything, and we'll see if our shadow moves. And I'm going to make a prediction. I think it will move, and I want you to think about why that is. And I will come out here in a little bit. Now we are back outside. It's 3 hours later, so it is 3 o'clock, as you can see right here on the phone. It's 2:59, 1 minute to 3. And let's see what happened to our shadow. So remember, we came out here at noon and the shadow was pointing directly on the 12. So what do you notice with the shadow? It has moved and it is right on the 3. So you watched a video before about how we can tell time from the sun. They used to do that back in the day when they didn't have watches and clocks. And I want you to think about why they can do that. Why does the shadow move? Does the sun move? Everyone said the sun moved. I beg to differ. And watch the video that I post today. Learn a little bit more about why we have day and night. Why does our shadow move? This is awesome. I can't believe it worked as well as it did. It's exactly 3 o'clock. And if I came out here around 6, as long as it wasn't too cloudy, it would be on the 6. At 9 o'clock, it wouldn't be there because the sun wouldn't be out. But we can tell time with the sun. Think about why the shadow moves. Why does the sun move in the sky? Is the sun actually moving? So I want you to keep thinking about those things. You can even try this experiment at home. I showed you how easy it was. So all we did, cut it into quarters. You could even make every single hour. I just tried to make it as easy as possible. But as you can see, our shadow moved to 3 o'clock, and it's 3 o'clock right now. Have a great day.